In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy your Facebook Pixel ID string and add it to the correct field in your settings. This is a quick setup task, but it's an important one because your Pixel ID connects your store or website tools with Meta's tracking system. Once it's entered correctly, it helps ensure your events and conversions can be associated with the right pixel, which is essential for ad tracking, reporting, and optimization. To get started, first copy your Facebook Pixel ID string. Make sure you copy the full ID exactly as it appears, without leaving out any digits or adding extra spaces before or about it. Since this value is used as a unique identifier, even a small mistake can prevent the connection from working properly. If you're copying it from another tab or document, it can help to quickly double check it before moving on. Next, go to your settings area and look for either commerce tools or marketing, depending on the version of the interface you're using. Then select Meta Pixel. Platform layouts can vary slightly, so don't worry if the wording or menu placement looks a little different from what you expect. The key is to find the section where the MetaPixel integration is managed. Once you're there, locate the field provided for the Pixel ID. Click into that field and paste the ID string you copied earlier. After pasting it, take a moment to confirm that the number appears correctly and that no extra characters were inserted by mistake. This quick review can save you troubleshooting time later. When everything looks correct, click Save. That's the final step. Saving applies the Pixel ID to your settings so the platform can use it going forward. After you save, it's a good idea to remain on the page for a moment and make sure there are no error messages or warnings. If the system accepts the ID without any issues, that usually means the setup was entered successfully. If you do see an error, the most common cause is an incorrect or incomplete ID, so simply recheck the value you pasted. And that's it. You've copied your Facebook Pixel ID string, navigated to the MetaPixel settings, pasted the ID into the correct field, and saved your changes. It only takes a minute.